You've been in a motorcycle accident, you've got some injuries, you're wondering, how much is my motorcycle accident case worth? And like every lawyer, I'm going to tell you it depends, but it depends on certain factors. The first one is, how hurt were you? Were you hurt severely? Do you have a broken bone? Do you have just maybe a sprained ankle? Is it, something that you're going to need a surgery for? The more invasive the treatment that you get, the more your case is going to be worth. Likewise, the longer the injury lasts, the more your case is going to be worth. And the more painful and the more restrictions that you have, things you can't do because of the injury, the more your case is going to be worth. Additionally, you have to look at who's at fault and how much fault they're at versus how much fault you might be at. If they're 100% at fault, that's great. If they're less, then you're going to have to deduct a little bit off the value of the case. And finally, you're probably working within the parameters of the insurance that is available. There's insurance that's available through the striking vehicle, their liability insurance. Sometimes that's not enough, and you might actually have uninsured or underinsured motorist vehicle on your own bike. And if that's the case, then you have extra insurance to use. But those insurance limits are going to act as a cap most of the time to injuries and how much you're going to be able to get. So if the policy is worth 50 or 250, it's going to limit how much your case is worth. All of these factors are going to be played into how much your case is worth. And so it's not simple to say, well, I broke my arm, or I broke my leg, or I have a sprained wrist. How much is this worth? Anyone can maybe go into a calculator and try to figure this out, but the best way to do it is to actually talk to an attorney. Calculators are only going to use data that could be skewed one way or another. You don't really know the quality of the evidence that those calculators are built on. So calling an attorney to get a detailed answer and to make sure that you give them all the relevant information is going to make it way easier for you to know the value of your case.